morning students. Welcome to Tata Chem DAV Public School Mithapur online classes. Myself Kavita Modi. Today we are going to start chapter multiples and factors. In this chapter our topic is divisibility rules. What do we do if we want to find out whether a number is divisible by another number without doing long division? Is there any easier way to do this? Yes. Let us study the rules of divisibility. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is even or if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For example, look at the number 2838 is divisible by 2. Yes, because the last digit is 8. Look at the next number. 43 is divisible by 2? No, because the last digit is 3. Look at the another number. 40 is divisible by 2? Yes, because the last digit is 0. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. For example, look at the number 43,92,126. When we add all the digits of the given number, we get the sum as 27. We know that 27 is divisible by 3. Thus, we conclude that 43,92,126 is also divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible by 4 or if the last two digits are 0. For example, look at the number 69,43,284. First, separate the last two digits, which is 84. Divide 84 by 4. If we divide 84 by 4, the quotient is equal to 21 and the remainder is equal to 0. Hence, 69,43,284 is also divisible by 4. Look at the another number. 2,500 is divisible by 4? Yes, because the last two digits are 0. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. For example, look at the number 8,955 is divisible by 5? Yes, because the last digit is 5. Look at the next number 7,939 is divisible by 5? No, because the last digit is 9. Look at one more number. 6,320 is divisible by 5? Yes, because the last digit is 0. Divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3 also. For example, look at the number 216. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, because the last digit is 6, which is an even number. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, because the sum of the numbers is equal to 9. And 9 is divisible by 3 also. Hence, 216 is divisible by 6. Divisibility by 7. First we take the last digit and double it. Then we subtract the result from the remaining digit. If the result is 0 or a number which is divisible by 7, then it is divisible by 7. For example, look at the number 413. In 413, the last digit is 3. First, we double the digit. 3 2s are 6. Now we subtract 6 from the remaining digit of the number, which is 41. So 41 minus 6 is equal to 35. which we know that it is divisible by 7. So 413 is also divisible by 7. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or if the last 3 digits are 0. For example, look at the number 69,43,824. First, separate the last 3 digits, which is 824. Then, divide 824 by 8. If we divide 824 by 8, the quotient is equal to 103 and the remainder is equal to 0. Hence, 69,43,824 is also divisible by 8. Look at the another number. 1,96,000 is divisible by 8? Yes, because the last 3 digits are 0. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. For example, look at the number. Add up all the digits of the given number. The sum of the digit is equal to 36 and 36 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 88,26,921 is also divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. For example, look at the number. 10,240 is divisible by 10? Yes, because the last digit is 0. Look at the next number. 7,442 is divisible by 10? No, because the last digit is 2. Look at the another number. 1,390 is divisible by 10? Yes, because the last digit is 0. Divisibility by 11. Add alternate digit starting from the ones place. Means add all the digit in odd places and then add all the digit in even places. If the difference between the sum of the digit at odd places and the sum of the digit at even places is either 0 or a multiple of 11, then the entire number is divisible by 11. For example, look at the number 1,38,56,722. Separate odd and even digit starting from ones. The sum of the digit at odd number places is 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 17. The sum of the digit at the even number places is 1 plus 8 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 17. Subtract the two results, which gives us 0. So 1,38,56,722 is divisible by 11. A rule is a shorthand way of determining whether a given number is divisible by a divisor without performing the division. It is the easiest test that can help students solve problems faster. A divisibility rules is a quick way to find out the factors without performing division, usually by examining the digit. So students, learn all the divisibility test. It is very beneficial to you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.